So in class we discussed a problem where there's this car that has to avoid a box that fell out of a truck. And the car, according to the picture, does this maneuver, which is actually the combination of two arcs. These two arcs are the same length because they both come from circles with the same radius, and the central angle is the same amount. It's 50 degrees for the central angle of both arcs and 4 meters for the radius of both circles. Now, what circles am I talking about? Let me draw them in. If you look at the picture, the two circles that form the path of this car look like this. Now, of course, I don't need all of the circle. I just need the arc portion, which represents the car's path. So let me get rid of the part of the circle that is not the arc that the car drives over. So these two red pieces are the arcs of two circles, and this is the path the car takes. So now that I've analyzed the problem, I know that I'm looking for the length of an arc. In fact, I'm looking for the length of two identical arcs. So let's write down the arc formula, the arc length formula. Central angle over 360 equals arc length over circumference. So I'm going to need the circumference of the circles. How am I going to find the circumference of the circle? Well, it turns out that I know the formula for circumference of a circle. It's 2 times the radius times pi. And the radius, according to the picture, is 4 meters. So let's just plug that into our formula, and we get that the circumference of the circle is 8 pi. We plug that into the formula, and we get 50 over 360, 50 being the central angle. 50 over 360 equals arc length over 8 pi. Cross multiply, and we get that the arc length is 3.49 meters. But there are two identical arcs, so I multiply by 2 to get a total length of 6.98 meters. And the problem is done.